wondered what happens when a teenager with a passion for computers follows his dream? This is the story of a boy who started programming at 13, dropped out of Harvard, built Microsoft, and then gave most of his wealth away to help the world. This is the inspiring journey of Bill Gates. Bill Gates, the boy who dreamed in code and changed the world. Bill Gates was born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington. He was not your typical kid. At the age of 13, he wrote his first software program. He and his friend Paul Allen spent hours on computers, fascinated by the logic and power of programming. They dreamed of putting a computer on every desk and in every home, a wild idea at the time. While most teenagers were playing outside, Bill was teaching himself computer languages and building early software. In 1975, while still a student at Harvard, Bill saw a magazine cover featuring the first personal computer, the Altel 8800. He and Paul Allen immediately contacted the makers and offered software for it, even though they hadn't written it yet. They worked day and night, created the software, and it worked. That moment was the beginning of Microsoft. Bill dropped out of Harvard to fully dedicate himself to building a tech company that would revolutionize computing. Microsoft's big break came with MS-DOS, the operating system that powered IBM's first personal computer. Microsoft quickly grew into the most dominant software company in the world. Products like Windows and Office became essential for homes and businesses. By age 31, Bill Gates became the youngest self-made billionaire. But what made him different wasn't just his wealth, it was his focus, vision, and discipline. He worked long hours, read constantly, and believed in hiring smart people and empowering them. But later in life, something even more powerful happened. In 2008, Bill stepped down from full-time work at Microsoft to focus on the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He started donating billions of dollars to fight disease, poverty, and improve education globally. His foundation helped fight malaria, provide vaccines, and support clean water projects. He once said, "With great wealth comes great responsibility." Bill Gates turned his success into service. From a curious 13-year-old coder to a billionaire philanthropist, his journey shows us start early, dream big, and never forget to give back. If you are inspired by this story, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful journeys that prove one idea can change the world. See you tomorrow with another inspiring story. Bye.